How is the duty of care determined, and who does a party owe that duty to? The zone of danger rule and a foreseeable plaintiff. The zone of danger is a reasonable space surrounding the foreseeable scope of the duty. Ms. Palsgraf waited for her train on the platform near a set of scales. As she waited, two men on an adjacent platform ran towards a departing train. One of the men made it safely aboard, while the second man received help from a guard on board the train and another guard at the end of the railway's passenger platform. As the man was pushed and pulled aboard the departing train, he dropped a newspaper-wrapped package which exploded upon hitting the railroad tracks. Unknown to the railroad guards, the package contained fireworks. The shock from the explosion caused the scales near Ms. Palsgraf to topple, causing her to be injured. For negligence to arise from an act, a duty must be found to the individual claiming negligence. Observing this duty would have averted or avoided the injury, and this non-observance or breach of duty was the actual and proximate cause of the individual's harm. The zone of danger is a reasonable space surrounding the foreseeable scope of the duty. It was not necessary that the railway company should have had notice of the particular method in which an accident would occur, if the possibility of an accident was clear to the ordinarily prudent eye, and thus foreseeable. Nothing in this situation gave notice that the falling package had the potential to cause bodily harm to those in the nearby area. Negligence is not actionable unless it involves the invasion of a legally protected interest, which in this case is Ms. Palsgraf's right to her bodily security. If the guard had thrown the package down knowingly and willfully, so far as the appearance of the package could warn him, he would not have threatened Ms. Palsgraf's safety. His conduct would not have involved, even then, an unreasonable probability of invasion of Ms. Palsgraf's bodily security. Here, there was nothing in the situation to suggest that the package wrapped in newspaper would explode and spread wreckage throughout the station. Therefore, because this event and injury was unforeseeable to the railroad company, the guard's actions were not the actual or proximate cause of Ms. Palsgraf's injury. If the zone of danger only allows for recovery when the injured party is within the foreseeable area, what situations involving serious injuries can you think of where the injured party, like Ms. Palsgraf, would be outside the zone of danger?